Nature is the natural environment which surrounds us, cares for us, and nourishes us every moment. Seeing nature is different from observing it. Hearing it is not the same as listening to it, and walking within it is not the same as feeling it. The book Nature's Numbers by Ian Stewart tells us in different chapters the wonders of what math can explain to us that words cannot. From violins to videos, seashells to sunflower seeds, and snowflakes to spiders' webs. There is an endless array of examples as nature is seen everywhere as it builds up our world. There is one topic of the book that can actually summarize it as a whole, as patterns, sequences, and the like are all correlated to the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence was introduced to the West around year 1202 by an Italian mathematician named Leonardo Fibonacci, which was also the one who introduced Arabic numerals to Europe, which is, thank God for that, or else we'd be using Roman numerals. As what was said earlier, the Fibonacci sequence can be achieved just by adding the number before the current one, starting at 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1, then plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5, and so on. Now, what makes this discovery so unique and important that it is being named as the nature's secret code or nature's universal rule is because it simply is seen in the common fruits of nature. The greatest example of the Fibonacci sequence would be flowers. There is something just aesthetically pleasing or beautiful in looking at flowers, and this is no mystery as defined from the golden ratio. The golden ratio has a close relationship with the Fibonacci sequence, since it can be achieved by having a number divide its preceding number in the sequence, also called phi, not to be confused of pi. It is a mathematical ratio that seems to appear recurrently in things that are seen or described as beautiful. As seen from the example of an art piece, the number of petals the flowers have is related to the Fibonacci sequence as well, starting with 3 petals, 5, 8, 13, and more. Again, there are limitless possibilities to the beauty of mathematics when it is related to the things around us. As far-fetched it might sound, mathematics might be the very first thing invented or created even before anything that has ever existed, and we're still just scratching its surface. In the systematic disorder of nature around us, it is simply mind-boggling how there is a distinct pattern being shown. Would it be that nature is simply the one that introduced us to math? What lies beyond in this world lies beyond in the solar system, galaxies, and the universe. And how much more is there to discover if we're still at the tip of the iceberg? Thank you.